Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the My Inductions module. This module allows staff members to complete a staff inductee questionnaire as part of the staff induction process. Access and the visible inclusions in this module are a little different to most other modules in the system. Notably, records can't be added directly. Instead, they're created when the relevant option is selected during the creation of a staff induction record. And records in this module can only be edited by the user they're assigned to. In other words, a manager cannot complete this part of a staff induction on behalf of another user. For more information, please review the desktop version of this tutorial, which appears at the top of the module beside the help notes when viewing the system on a desktop computer. And for general information about the mobile version of the system, we also recommend you view the System Overview for Mobile tutorial that's published on a dedicated YouTube channel along with other system tutorials. Just navigate to YouTube, enter your system name followed by the text System Overview for Mobile into the search field. Like all system modules, My Inductions are accessible via the Module Navigation menu. In addition to the underlying access rules relating to this module, manager-level access can also be provided by the User Management module. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To the right of the module name are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. The help notes include the legend that explains the meaning of the colours that appear alongside records in the list view. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools, which are common to many modules in the system. Entering 3 characters or more into the search field presents any relevant results, which can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results. To clear the search results and view the full list, either reselect the module from the Module Navigation menu or clear the search field and reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most modules in the system, but the filters themselves vary from module to module. Below the search and filtering tools, the next area of list controls are the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view and an extended view of each record. The up and down arrows to the left and right of the list heading sorts the records in either ascending or descending order by the reference number or the date they were created. When the brief summary of each record in the list is displaying, the action icon to the right of each record opens the action controls. And when the extended details about each record is displaying in the list view, the action controls are directly accessible. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information when logged into your workplace, the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which appears when you're logged in on a desktop computer, and the system overview for mobile tutorials on your system's dedicated YouTube channel. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.